Thank you so much. So far so good, I have no complaints, good for the price. Love that on and off switch and indicator light, it's really bright. Unlike other ones I had, can't really tell it's on or off sometimes. I do love the Amazon Basics brand, and I was going to buy their 900 Joule ones until I saw that they were ridiculously priced at 75 smisheroos. It has got to be a pricing typo, because the KMC brand looks absolutely identical to the Amazon Basics version for a ton less money. There might be some rich people who are willing to dump 75 smisheroos into a power strip, but not me. A popular review on this product stated that they had problems mounting these. Sometimes you do want to mount these on a wall or desk, but I didn't have that need, and so they are just on the floor. There is not a whole lot you can say in a review about a power strip, however. I mean, they work perfectly fine, the power LED lights up red, they got a switch on them like they all do, and they expand your power connecting possibilities. Whether or not the surge suppression works or not is entirely dependent on the product, and how bad the surge is. So only time will tell if that functionality works. But for now, they are exactly as described, and I have no complaints. 5 out of 5. Great surge protectors for a great price. Surge protectors seemed sturdy and well built, both turned on, lights on switch, and indicated that they were protecting. The longer cord was nice since our outlets are off-centered from our wall so that we were able to hide everything behind the TV stand. We'll see if they live up to their hype. They came with a product description in 4 languages and a thank you card. Very well made. Sturdy. A good buy for sure. I use this product for my wife's hair salon and he's working very good, no complaint. Like that there is an on/off switch on the strip. Works great, length was sufficient for my use. One is in the study, the other in the living room. Just what we needed to extend plugs from behind nightstand to use for various things we need to plug in. Click link in description for more reviews.